Welcome to Upstarburst. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. First, let's block a contact on Snapchat. To do that, let's go to chat by pressing chat icon at the bottom. Press and hold a contact. Select Manage Friendship. Select Block. Confirm by pressing Block button. And now that contact is blocked. To unblock it, tap your profile icon, tap Settings icon at the top right, scroll all the way down. Under Account Actions, select Blocked Users. Press cross icon in front of blocked contact. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Press Yes button. And that's it. We have unblocked the contact, but we will have to add them again as contact in order to contact them. To do that, go back, press Add Friends option, search contact name, and once you see the contact, in front of that, there will be Add button. Press that Add button to add him as a friend. If you're wondering, when you unblock someone on Snapchat, do the messages delete? The answer is, blocking someone hides and effectively clears the chat history. So unblocking does not restore old messages. So the old messages will be gone. You will start fresh. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.